This is the most expensive pizza oven. You know why we are here?
No.
This oven is going to cook the pizza like this oven.
Wow.
Well, we're about to find out. What a beautiful day here in Los Angeles, Huntington Beach, guys. Welcome back from my studio Iacopelli. We have a piece of history. This is the cheapest pizza oven in the market. The first created back in 2012. And today we are here in my favorite pizzeria because a reason, the pizza oven. Let's go inside. Antonio, buongiorno. A posto. Welcome, guys. Like you can see.
Oh, my friend.
Antonio, this is one of the best pizzeria in California. Come with me. Let's meet Antonio. Buongiorno, Antonio. How are you?
Good,
Doing
good. And you?
You making some pizza?
Right.
This oven costs about $20,000 plus the shipping, $10,000. We are talking about 30 grand. You feeling we make a special pizza there?
Yeah.
We got Parmigiana,
Parmesan, melanzane, eggplant,
Parmigiana. What else?
fresh mozzarella.
Baby meat more fry, good. But here we're gonna go ahead and see how this pizza oven, why it costs too much. So expensive because it's made brick by brick, good isolation, material is good, it's on the stand, it's big, it's wood, and maybe you can add the option of the gas. But guys, we are talking about 30 grand, $30,000. And of course the pizza cooks so fast, in a minute. Let's get it. Can I touch? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, sorry.
No problem.
Sorry,
no
Antonio.
problem.
Okay, he's cooking the pizza right here. In the meantime, come with me. You know why we are here?
No. What is it?
Today, I'm going to compare this to this. I'm going to see.
Nah.
I'm going to show you.
This is
No.
baby, no?
Oh, wow, what a pizza. So we're going to see if this cheapest pizza is less than $200, you can make,
Possible?
it can cook less than $200 if we can make a pizza cook it like this. Wait until the end, watch you did smash the like. Because I need your approval to touch your dough. Sorry. Oh, fantastic pizzas. The other thing is, this pizza oven, it takes 2 hours to warm up. This pizza oven, it takes only 20 minutes to warm up. 2 hours versus 20 minutes. It's gonna make the dilemma here, the question today is, this oven is going to cook the pizza like this oven?
Wow.
Well, we're about to find out. Okay, let's assemble this. This way it gets to temperature, because the oven needs to be in temperature. Voila, we got the propane. Guys, this is a huge space, high ceiling, a lot of air that goes back and forth, so yes, we can turn it on inside here. And also we have a connector to the hood and everything. So don't worry about, we're not gonna die today, hopefully. Don't forget the stone inside the oven.
Wow.
And let's close it. Am I right? Here it comes up. That's it. $200 versus 30 grand. My God. The bottom of the small oven is at, oh my God, 415 versus 470. Right here, 400. Oh, it can be the same. It's the same. The bottom is the same. We are ready to rock and roll. So, let's go like that. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
come
go.
on.
Vai. Okay. Stretch the pizza. A little bit of flour. Super soft. Okay, we got a stretch.
Tomato free, right?
Tomato. Attenzione, Antonio. Thank you. Voila. Parmesan cheese. Basil. Guys, you are watching a very professional pizza chef with the same level. A little bit of olive oil. Whoa. Voila. So I'm gonna cook this, and you this. Ready?
Vai.
Grazie, Carlo.
Già ce l'hai?
That's one for you.
Non so me.
One for me. We're gonna go together in the ovens. Aspetta. Avanti questa. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Gonna make the biggest pizza, the same exactly pizza. Let's go in the oven. Boom. And now we watch. I gotta watch because mine's too hard. It's too small. lower down the flame, otherwise here it's gonna burn everything. We watch now.
I am ready, eh? I am
Hey,
ready.
if it's ready, take it out. I'm ready. You're using $30,000 pizza oven. I'm going versus $200. What do you want? Of course. Ah, my gosh, that's the perfection of pizza. Right here, we're gonna compare. Bravo, do. Alzo le mani, eh? Mani. I think it's about to be ready too. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, voila. That's the second one. Of course, here guys, we stretch in the same way, the same dough. Like you can see, look at this. My fault that it come out like that flat. This is because the oven didn't give the pressure of the same of this. So that's why you spend $30,000 on this oven, because it gives the pressure of the oven. So what I'm talking about right here, see, when you put your hands here, this is a pressure. That pressure creates the crust of the pizza. It becomes soft and crunchy at the same time. This oven, because it doesn't have any pressure, like I can put my hands here, see? Here, I cannot put my hands because you get like a pressure. So without the pressure, that's what you get. It's a flat base. And this is not because I stretch like that, because I want to show you, even now, make one pizza. You do it because they're gonna think I'm not good on making the pizza. Make one pizza and cook in this oven. Let's do the opposite. Let's see. Let's see. Okay guys, it's time to go ahead and do the same thing again. I want to show you that it was not my hand, it was the pizza oven that created that. So the reason why we are doing this is to show you that don't worry about if your pizza comes out like that, it doesn't come out like this. It's because it's not your fault, but it's because the oven. Okay. Same thing, Parmesan cheese. This time we make a cheese pizza, regular. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, one shot. Voila.
Thank you, thank you.
Second shot. Piano, 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 don't burn the pizza. If you didn't have this, what are you doing? You cheating. Okay, my pizza is ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And voila. The pizza, it's a lovely, soft and crunchy. Let's put it right there. Right? One moment. Okay, thank you. Maybe I was too excited, you know what I'm saying? Okay. No, it's cheating. No. Finish this pizza, where is white? What are you doing?
Much time.
Much time. $30,000, 90 seconds. $200, 3 minutes. Vai, take it out, take it out.
Different.
Voila. Okay. Well, let's go back here in the light, the better light. Vieni Antonio, vieni.
Dai.
Allora, so this is yours, this is mine. So like you can see guys, we had the same issue like this one. See, it's flat, didn't come out properly, but here a little bit puffy because you put it towards the flame. These, they come out nice and puffy and soft in the same time. So, Antonio, now the moment of the truth. This pizza oven, less than $200, it's worth it. The oven that is $30,000.
Questo.
And tell me what you think in the comment. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!